At the end of the previous lesson, I asked you to create the various other pages we need for the Acme Cleaning Services website. The About Us, Our Team, News and Contact Us pages, using extends, overriding the default content of the blocks so that we can have different content in the H2 on each page. Hopefully this wasn't too difficult. I'll go through one of them and the others are all the same. Copy index.pug and rename it news.pug. In news.pug, delete sections grid and its contents, and change the contents of the H2 from Our Services to All Our Latest News, or whatever you want there. Save the file, and the compiled HTML file news.html should show this content. And it's the same for all the others. Give each of them their relevant content, and that should be fairly simple. In the next lesson, we'll take a first look at how we can use JavaScript in Pug.